This is AI News 5 Minutes. Welcome. Europe just made a massive move. The European Union's new AI transparency rules are officially live. This is huge for how we interact with AI online. Here's what's happening. The EU is cracking down hard on deception. Companies now must clearly label when you're chatting with a bot. No more confusion, no more tricks. But it gets bigger. Deepfakes are getting flagged too. If you see AI-generated content, you'll know it. The EU is basically saying, transparency isn't optional anymore. It's mandatory. This landmark regulation forces tech companies to be honest about their AI systems. They must disclose when content is artificially created. Users deserve to know what's real and what's not. Why does this matter to you? Because trust is everything online. When you're scrolling through content, you need confidence in what you're seeing. These rules give you that power back. Europe is leading the charge here. They're setting the global standard. Other countries are watching closely. This could reshape how AI operates worldwide. It's a watershed moment for digital transparency. Now, let's shift gears. China's fighting back in the AI race. Alibaba just dropped something massive. They released their biggest, most powerful AI model yet. The company claims it rivals OpenAI and Anthropic's best systems. This isn't just marketing talk. Alibaba is serious about challenging American AI dominance. Here's the competitive landscape. The US has been leading. OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, they've dominated conversations. But China isn't backing down. Alibaba's new model shows real progress. They're catching up fast. Performance metrics are impressive. The model handles complex tasks efficiently. It processes information at remarkable speeds. This matters because AI leadership means economic power. It means influence. It means jobs and innovation. China understands this. They're investing billions into AI development. Alibaba's move signals confidence. They believe they can compete globally. And honestly, they might be right. The AI race just got fiercer. Competition drives innovation. We all benefit from that pressure. Speaking of pressure, Palantir's CEO just stirred the pot. After crushing earnings, we're talking $1 billion profit quarter, Alex Karp went on record. He called the AI industry Marxist. Bold statement, right? He's criticizing frontier labs. He thinks they're untrustworthy for enterprises. What's his argument? Carp believes these labs operate without proper accountability. They're making decisions that affect businesses without sufficient oversight. He's warning companies to be careful. Not every AI system deserves your trust. Palantir positions itself as the trustworthy alternative. They're enterprise-focused. They're transparent about operations. Carp's comments reflect a growing concern. Who do we trust with our data? This debate matters enormously. Enterprises control massive amounts of information. They need reliable AI partners. The criticism from someone like Carp carries weight. He's not just a CEO, he's a voice in the industry. His warnings deserve consideration. Now, OpenAI's in the headlines again. They're battling Apple legally. OpenAI published a blog post responding to Apple's lawsuit. They're correcting claims about their employees. They're sharing messages showing what actually happened. This is escalation. Public disputes between tech giants rarely stay quiet. What does this tell us? These companies are fighting for market position. They're competing fiercely. Legal battles are part of the game now. OpenAI's public response is strategic. They're controlling the narrative. They're defending their reputation. This fight will have consequences for the entire industry. Finally, Congress is hooked on ChatGPT. House spending records show it. Congressional offices use ChatGPT constantly. They're drafting memos. They're summarizing legislation. They're handling constituent communications. AI has infiltrated government operations deeply. This is happening now. It's not future speculation. So here's what we learned today. Europe's enforcing transparency. China's competing aggressively. Palantir's questioning trust. OpenAI's fighting Apple, and Congress runs on ChatGPT. The AI landscape is shifting rapidly. Every day brings new developments. You need to stay informed. That's why we're here. Subscribe for daily AI news. I'm your AI news host. See you tomorrow.